Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain the changes to Illinois tax law for 2020. We're going to give a really high-level overview, and it's a summary, and this is a non-exclusive list of changes, but just some that we found the most interesting. If you want more detail about the changes to Illinois tax law, you can go to the article associated with this video at learn-about-law.com. So here we go. I'm just going to kind of give you bullet points here because there's a lot of changes, and some of them are not terribly interesting if they don't directly affect you. But the corporate income tax will increase from 7% to 7.99%. Senate Bill 1515 will change how income is taxed for Illinois employees. Non-residents will be taxed on earnings once they work more than 30 days in Illinois, and Illinois residents will be able to exclude other states' taxes from their wages. The Illinois franchise tax will be phased out over the next 5 years. The credit for the difference between the trade-in value of a car and its purchase price will now be capped at $10,000, meaning that people trading in their cars might be able to write off less on their taxes. The cigarette tax is increased by $1. This was effective July 1st, 2019. Also effective July 1st, 2019, the motor fuel tax doubled from 19 cents to 38 cents. Illinois gaming facility winnings are now subject to a new income tax surcharge. And finally, recreational cannabis sales tax will be at a rate of between 10% to 25%, depending on the THC concentration. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.